folks, and welcome to this premium analysis of the NASDAQ 100. Okay, so looking here on the weekly chart, we can see that we are starting to tear through some weekly demand. Okay, that's a big deal. Okay, we had this one here that was tested. We established the buy zone. Price tore through that. We tore through the demand responsible for moving above these highs. Okay, and we managed to sit on that area just for a little while, or a month at least, before we managed to tear through it. Okay, we had this area of demand responsible for moving this supply and moving above this high. Is tested once, twice, three times, a few times, and this area just here of supply removed it. So we'll just mark this one off because this is a nice one to keep an eyeball on. You see, this is the one that managed to get to move price below these lows here. So on the daily chart, we can see, okay, so the reason this is interesting is because we had this, okay, and this is important because we tested it once, twice, three times, and now it's gone. And so you have to focus on these, on the details of these moves, and you don't know this is an important one until you can see what it's been able to accomplish. We had this one here. It was tested once, now it's removed. The area that removed it is right here. Okay, so this is why we drove this one on. Release point, buy zone, buy zone, buy zone, now gone by this. Okay, so this is an important one now. The sell zone is established just here and at about the middle of this daily demand that has now been removed. Okay, just here these highs. Price inefficiency, it's really been rebalanced to about here, so we can expect price to eventually wriggle up to here before continuing lower, and I think it's definitely going to continue lower. So if we look at where price will likely go to, okay, well, we can see that we had something here, tested once, twice, three times, finally gone. The area that finally caused price to trade above it is right here. Matter of fact, let me put a rectangle on there, just here. Okay, so zooming in a little, we had troubles moving beyond this high. We managed to move beyond there from here. We just put the whole area. Okay, from here price was able to wriggle north. The slingshot was pulled back into this area of demand, so this will probably provide a little bit of support once price pokes back up into here, okay, and moves back down here. Okay, so let's have a look on the 4 hour and see if we can find where price is likely to return to supply wise before moving lower. We do have a couple of interesting patterns. We have this one here, which is very interesting. We also have this one here, tested, finally removed by something in here. This is the edge of that weekly area, tested, released. Okay, and so I think price will, here we have price inefficiency, rebalanced. Okay, and nothing gone just yet, but I think price will likely wriggle back up to here, or essentially here, before we begin to see the sellers move back in and continue to drive this lower. Okay, so keep your eyes on those levels. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks once again for watching.